In today's video, I will walk you through how to add option chains in Robinhood Legend. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add the option chains widget inside Robinhood Legend and choose the stocks you want to monitor. Start by going to Robinhood Legend and accessing your workspace layout. Once you are inside the platform, locate the Add Widget option on the screen. Click on Add Widget to open the list of available widgets that can be added to your layout. After the widget menu appears, look through the available options and select Option Chains. Once selected, the Option Chains widget will be added to your workspace. After the widget appears, you can begin choosing the stocks you want to monitor inside the Option Chains panel. Use the available stock selection area to search for and select the stock symbols you want to follow. Once selected, the Option Chains widget will display the available options data related to those stocks directly inside your Robinhood Legend workspace. You can continue adding additional stocks if needed and monitor multiple option chains from the same layout. The widget will remain available in your workspace so you can quickly access it whenever needed. That is how to add option chains in Robinhood Legend and select the stocks you want to monitor.